Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device is signed into the Apple ID that owns the card. This matters because payment methods are tied to that account. Once signed in, open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac and tap your name. On iPad, use the same path. Make sure you can authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or password, because removing a card requires account confirmation. This prevents accidental removal and protects shared purchases under family settings. Now go to Settings, tap your name, and choose Payment and Shipping. On Mac, open the App Store, click your name, then view information and manage payments. Once you see the card list, tap Edit or Manage Payments and select the card to remove. You will be prompted to confirm and to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Do that immediately. This sequence ensures Apple validates you as the account owner and updates billing for subscriptions and active purchases. Finish by verifying the card is gone. Reload Payment and Shipping or your App Store account and review subscriptions and pending charges, because Apple may require an alternate payment method for active subscriptions. If the card can't be removed, add a replacement payment method, then remove the unwanted card. This often resolves hold or region restrictions. If problems persist, contact Apple support and provide your device serial and Apple ID. They can resolve account-level holds or billing disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.